Welcome, welcome, welcome. Desert Disc Planning here. If you've never been here before, I'm really glad that you have found me and I have found you. I'm super excited for us to plan together. And if you have been here before, I really appreciate you coming back and hanging out with me. Ooh, I just hit my knee on the table. All right, so in this video, I am actually going to do a Live, Love, Posh Stash challenge, and I am using the Floral Fitness. If you would like to know what the Live, Love, Posh Stash challenge is, it is LLP Stash Challenge, and it is a hashtag over on Instagram created by Creatively Lisa Marie, and I am going to put this in my health section. So the way that I am going to do it is I'm going to use a section of the different layouts because they're pretty much kind of color coded, and I'm going to go decorate it. So normally I do the first week, and well, I'm going to do it anyways. I do the monthly with one, and then I match the first week with the monthly, and that's actually what I'm going to do. I'm also going to bring in some of my, these are actually days of the week. So you have 52 weeks in a year, and this is my sticker sheet, Desert Just Planning, over on Etsy. But I'm going to use the 1 through 31, and then 1 through 4 for the last week. 1 through 31 here, and then the 1 through 4 for I think I have 2 sheets. I hope so, because I really want to use these. Okay, and there's that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the Desert Just Planning. I also have time. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, and we're going to put the 1 here, the 2, the 3, and the 4, 5, 6, and 7. Eventually, I want to be laying all of my stickers down and decorating with somebody else's stickers, because I'm just going to do like scripts. It's my thing. So, all right, so what we have here is today, priority, food log, and exercise. This is an extension packet. It's a fitness extension packet. So with that, do we decorate first? Let's see. So we're going to do, what color is this? Like a purple and a green and a lavender, a green, and like a turquoise. So let's do this. So we have breakfast, and we're going to put that all in one color. Or maybe not. Maybe we'll do every day a certain color. Breakfast. I want to make sure I'm not using the wrong, or is it the, maybe we should do pink. Let's do pink. That's crooked. So my breakfasts are pre-planned and my lunches are pre-planned, and then my dinners are up to the kids. So And then we got breakfast. 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 I hate them when their stickers are way up here. It's really hard for me to grab them. But that's okay. Do I have another one of these purple? Nope. Lunch. Lunch. So we're gonna go midway. Let's go up. So we gotta have the extra room for dinner. And then I'm going to go, how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's that. And then we have lunch. 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 Right? Lunch. Lunch. Dinner. Dinner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put that there. And we'll put that there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right there. It's kind of crooked. All right. And I actually fill this out early in the month. I do not wait until the day or the day of or whatever. I fill it out early so that I know what I'm meal prepping for the week when the week comes. So that is the only thing that I do. Like my monthly is going to be more of a struggle because I'm going to have to remember to touch it every day. But the way that I plan this planner out is I actually sit down and I plan the planner out. So I decorate it all in one setting, and then I pretty much get all my notes and plans in it in advance. So that is something that I will be doing. And then I don't know what I'm going to do for the breakfast, lunch, and dinner on this side. I think there was I don't know what I'm going to do. All right. So I like to do a rest day on Sunday. So maybe I do like my meal plan here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to meal plan. I'm getting some things say meal plan on it. I hope so. Oh, the other ones said meal prep. So we're going to do our hydration. I like that there's the little drops on here. So that we can verify that we are getting it done. So I'm going to need the 7 hydration bottles. I don't really fill out the top. I use the top 4 water reminder, and that's it. The top is a water reminder. So there's that one. These are really big. Okay, I got a deco. I got to figure out what to deco. Alright, so we use these, so we're going to weigh ourselves on Sunday. We're going to do the weight day here. And like one of these had like, not that, not that. It's this one. Alright. So cardio, and then cardio. I gotta remember because I was doing something, and then I have the gym. And I'm putting these icons here, but that's not what I'm gonna do. And then like the steps is walking. There's only one. Okay, so it's more like get your heart pumping, and then like weights, and then walking. And then of course you have your rest day for your measurements. I have this down here at the bottom. I have this from left over from the monthly. See if I can't pull her up. I do not really put anything in the priority except for deco. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put another floral here. Like that. There's that. These stickers stick, let me tell you that. Alright, decoing the centerfold. The center. Alright, and then we have, let's find something small that could possibly go right here, even though we're going to put our weights right there. Let's do this and the shoes. Alright. I really want to put like one of these. Like I know I have all this weight. That's what I have at the top. That's not what I want. Maybe I do this other one at the bottom. Alright, so here it is. It's super simple because I'm learning how to use the sticker book. So we're going to do a meal plan here. I wish I had it. I probably have it in another sticker. Of course I know I do. But I'll do a meal plan here of what is to go down for the next week. This pretty much repeats itself on what I have for breakfast and lunch. Dinner will change because of the kids and which kid is deciding what we're having for dinner. And then I guess I will put ongoing notes here. But for the amount that this is just for water, this is for a workout and then functioning of the body so that it's not just sitting and being lazy. And then food. Alright, so this is the first week of my health section in my health planner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you can go over, you can also like and subscribe it, and then over on Instagram, LLP Stash Challenge is over there for your viewing pleasure. So I really hope you guys come back and watch how I set up week 2, and until next time, later.